Good day, everyone! I am Jezebel Bautista from Antonio J. Villegas Vocational High School, and welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to discuss about factors of polynomials, specifically factoring the difference of two squares. Are you ready? First, here are our objectives. 1. Identify the perfect squares. Second, factor the difference of two squares. And lastly, factor with accuracy. So factoring a polynomial involves writing it as a product of two or more polynomials. It reverses the process of polynomial multiplication. Every polynomial that is a difference of squares can be factored by applying the following formula. So a squared minus b squared is equal to the quantity of a plus b multiplied by the quantity of a minus b. So take note, class, that this formula is very important, and this is the heart of our lesson for today, so that we can factor the difference of two squares easily. Again, every polynomial that is difference of squares can be factored by applying the following formula. So you have to take note of this formula again. So now that a and b in the pattern can be any algebraic expression. So for example, for a is equals to x and b is equal to 2, we can get the following. So x squared minus 2 squared is equal to the quantity x minus 2 multiplied by the quantity x plus 2. And that is the factor form. The polynomial x squared minus 4 is now expressed in factor form, which is x plus 2 and x minus 2. So take note that you can interchange these two factors because multiplication is commutative. So we can expand the right-hand side of this equation to justify the factorization. So what I'm going to show you now is that I'm going to multiply these two factors so that it will return to its original equation, which is x squared minus 4, because as what I am saying a while ago, that factoring and multiplication, they are reverse of each other. So let us multiply now. So x multiplied by the quantity x minus 2 plus 2 multiplied by the quantity x minus 2 using distributive property, x squared now minus 2x plus 2x minus 4, and using or adding like terms. So x squared minus 4 is the answer since the middle terms are opposite of one another. Now that we understand the pattern, let us use it to factor a few more polynomials. Okay, so let's proceed now to factoring. Example 1. Let us factor x squared minus 16. So both x squared and 16 are perfect square. Why? Because x squared is equal to x times x, and 16 is equal to 4 times 4. So in other words, x squared minus 16 is equal to x quantity squared minus 4 quantity squared, right? And applying the formula for the pattern of the difference of squares, we have a squared minus b squared is equal to the quantity a plus b multiplied by the quantity a minus b. In our case, our a here is equals to x and our b is equals to 4. Therefore, our polynomial factors as follows. So x quantity squared minus 4 quantity squared, and our answer is x plus 4, x minus 4. And if you want to check, you can multiply these factors and the product will be x squared minus 16. Okay, example 2. Let us factor 9x squared minus 100. So both 9x squared and 100 are perfect square since the factor of 9x squared is 3x times 3x and the factor of 100 is 10 times 10. In other words, 9x squared minus 100 is equal to 3x quantity squared minus 10 quantity squared. Applying the formula or the pattern, so A now is equal to 3x and our B is equal to 10. So therefore, our factors are 3x minus 10 multiplied by the quantity 3x plus 10. So if you want to check, you can multiply the factors and it is equal to 9x squared minus 100. So therefore, the factor form of 9x squared minus 100 is 3x minus 10 multiplied by 3x plus 10. Okay, last one. Example 3. Let us factor 36m squared minus 49n to the 4th power. So 36m squared and 49n to the 4th are perfect square since the factor of 36m squared is 6m times 6m and the factor of 49n to the 4th power is 7n squared multiplied by 7n squared. So in other words, 36m squared minus 49m to the 4th is equal to 6m quantity squared minus 7n squared quantity squared. Applying our formula, our A now is 6m and our B is 7n squared. So our factor formed now is 6m minus 7n squared multiplied by 6m plus 7n squared. So, if you want to check, it will result to 36m squared minus 49n to the 4th power. I hope it is clear to you now how to factor the difference of two squares. So, for your assignment, you can answer numbers 1 to 10. And that's all for today. Thank you and mabuhay. Bye!